Hey everybody, PH3D TV here, and after a little bit of a break from 3D printing, I'm back. And this time, I'm printing on a Snapmaker U1 that I backed on Kickstarter. I received it at the beginning of January, and it's basically been printing non-stop since then. The Snapmaker U1 is a 4-tool head changer, which means you can print with 4 different colors and multiple materials with very, very little waste. So far, I've been printing with PLA, but I wanted to see how the U1 performs with a little bit more of a difficult filament, like TPU. Most people would choose maybe a small model to print to see how it performs, but I decided to go all in and print the Airless basketball. This is a notoriously difficult model to print because of its design, because you print it in a flexible filament, and because it also needs supports. So let's see how this looks in the slicer. I've imported my model, and you can see this giant red box here is a support blocker because we really only need supports down here at the bottom. The main part of the ball is printed in TPU. And because of that, I've made some settings changes, mainly slowing everything way down and changes here in the support settings. This is one of the keys here where we say use PLA for the supports. And I changed some of the support distance and spacing in order to hopefully have a clean support removal. Once we slice it, we can see that even though there are 104 filament changes, it is only going to create 6.24 grams of waste in the priming tower. The slicer says this will take 14 hours and 48 minutes to print, and it ended up taking 14 hours and 49 minutes to print, which is pretty amazing. I know you're not here to hear me talk, so let's get right on with the print. I did end up having a little bit of an issue with the prime tower. I stabilized it with a little bit of tape, and it held fine. Let's see how it came out. I wasn't quite sure how to remove these supports, and honestly, I wasn't quite sure that they would come off at all. But then I realized that this is TPU, so I just flexed the ball. It came right off. Super clean print, very little stringing. Really, really cool print. I'll see you next time on PH3D.TV.